Here we are going to prove geometrically these three identities. Actually, these are used as formulae in trigonometry, the basic three formulae. We are going to prove it. First of all, we are taking let ABC be a triangle. Let ABC be a triangle such that angle B is equal to 90 degree. Since it is right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we are having AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Sum of the squares of two sides is equal to the square of the third side, and that is the Pythagoras theorem. Now we are going to prove these three things. I have given number 1. In number 1, it is given cos square A, cos. Now we all know what is the ratio of cos. Cos means base by hypotenuse. Cos means base by hypotenuse. Here the hypotenuse is AC. That means you will have to divide each term by the hypotenuse AC. We are exactly doing the same thing. AB square divided by AC square. Why we have divided this AB square by AC square? Just to get cos. Cos means base by hypotenuse. Plus, it was BC square. It will be divided by AC square is equal to AC square plus AC square. Now, AB by AC, both are square. So keeping this within bracket, we are writing AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square, and then AC square cancel out is 1. We all know AB by AC, it's cos, base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse is cos, so it will be cos square A plus BC by AC, BC by AC. BC is perpendicular, AC is hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse is sine, so we are getting sine square A is equal to 1, and that's our number 1 proof. Again, we are going to prove number 2. Now you see in number 2, it is given 1 plus 10 square A. So up to this, it's common for all the three. Up to this is common for all the three. Now coming number 2. You see, we need the trigonometric ratio 10. 10 means we are going to prove number 2. 10 means perpendicular by base. This is our perpendicular and base is AB. So we will have to divide by AB. So each term will be divided by AB. So we are writing AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square is equal to AC square by AB square. AB square cancel out, it's 1. We are getting BC by AB whole square is equal to AC by AB whole square. Implies 1. Now BC by AB. Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base is 10. So it's 10 square A is equal to AC by AB. Hypotenuse by base. 8 sec. So it will be sec square A. And that is the proof of number 2. Now we are coming similar process in number 3. Just check it out. In number 3, what you are getting? In number 3, the trigonometric ratio is cot. Now, what is the ratio of cot? Cot means base by perpendicular. That means you will have to divide each term this perpendicular BC. So you divide by BC. AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square is equal to AC square by BC square. Now you are getting AB by BC whole square plus 1 is equal to AC by BC whole square. Just you know AB by BC, base by perpendicular is cot. So it cot square A plus 1 is equal to AC by BC, AC by BC, AC by BC, hypotenuse by perpendicular. It's cosec square A. And that's all. That is the proof of 3 basic identities of trigonometry.